Who's ready for an adventure to the seaside? Hooray!
Peppa and her family are going out for the day.
Oh dear, I think I forgot to put petrol in the car.
Never mind. Let's take the train to the beach.
Hooray!
Peppa and her family are catching a train to the seaside.
Tickets, please.
We're going to the seaside. And Mummy didn't put petrol in the car.
How exciting! I love the seaside.
I think it's time for some lunch. Peppa, let's look for the dining carriage. Whoa.
Daddy Pig and Peppa are walking through the train to the dining carriage. It is very wobbly.
Oh, this carriage must be for passengers who want to sleep.
Whoa!
This carriage must be for people who want to play on the train.
Wow! Hi, Danny. Hi, Gerald.
Ah! This must be the cinema carriage.
Excuse me.
Peppa and Daddy Pig have found the dining carriage.
Ah!
This carriage must be for people who want lunch.
Oh!
Is that your tummy rumbling, Daddy?
I'm afraid the train has broken down.
Oh dear. We'll have to take the bus.
Now, Peppa's family are waiting to catch the bus to the seaside.
Aha!
Ah!
All aboard! Next stop, the seaside!
Whoa!
The bus has broken down.
I think somebody forgot petrol again. Now how will we get to the seaside?
Well, we can walk.
The seaside is just down the hill.
This was the best trip to the seaside ever. I can't wait to see how we get back home.
Peppa and her family are watching a film at the cinema.
Mummy, I need to go to the toilet.
OK, Peppa, we'll go to the one just outside. We're just going to the toilet.
The toilet? Good idea.
Oops.
Oh dear, the toilet is closed for cleaning.
But I really need to go.
There's a public toilet just down the road. Follow me, everyone.
Dinosaur.
Peppa and her family have found a toilet.
Here's the toilet, Peppa. Let's join the queue. I'm afraid the queue starts over there.
But the queue for the toilet is very, very long.
I'm not sure I can wait that long.
There's a toilet in the supermarket. Let's try there.
Peppa, Mummy Pig, Daddy Pig and George look everywhere for a toilet. They try the supermarket.
Aha! Ah! Oh!
They try the zoo.
Sorry, Peppa. This toilet needs fixing. Oh!
They even try a toilet shop.
I'm sorry, but these toilets are for display purposes only.
There are no toilets anywhere.
Oh dear, now I need the toilet too.
So do I.
Look, the cinema toilet is open again. Hooray!
Finally, Peppa and her family are back to watch the film.
Tiny show.
But now the film has ended.
Looks like we'll have to watch it from the start. Does anyone need the toilet first?
Watch out!
Today, Peppa and her friends are at the water park.
Hello, everyone.
Hello, Miss Rabbit.
Before you all go swimming, I have some important rules to teach you.
Miss Rabbit is telling everyone how to be safe in the swimming pool.
The first rule is no splashing.
No splashing, Mr. Bull.
Whoops! Sorry, Peppa. Sorry, Miss Rabbit.
That's okay, Mr. Bull. The second rule is no running.
Silly Mr. Bull. No running.
Sorry again.
Mr. Bull doesn't know any of the rules.
And the last rule is everyone must have a simply splendid time.
Oh!
Have a splendid time, Mr. Bull.
Oh, ho, ho, ho! Right you are, Peppa.
Enjoy the pool, everyone.
What shall we do first? Let's go on the water slide. Hooray!
Everyone is very excited to ride the water slides.
Hello again. Who wants to go down the slide?
Me!
Well, you're in luck. There is one slide for each of you.
Let's have a race.
Good idea. Lucky I brought my flag. On your marks, get set, go! And Danny Dog zooms into the lead, followed by Peppa. Then it's Gerald Giraffe and Susie Sheep coming up behind. It's incredibly close. Water slide racing at its best.
Hello, Granny. Hello, Mr. Bull.
Oh!
They're nearly at the finish line. It's neck and neck. Who will come out on top? It's a draw. Everybody wins.
Peppa and her friends love the slides, but they have forgotten the first rule of the water park.
No splashing!
Peppa and her family are taking baby Alexander on the Ferris wheel, but he isn't very happy.
What's that smell? Yeah!
It's baby Alexander. He needs a nappy change.
But we're at the front of the queue for the Ferris wheel. Ooh! Hold your noses, everyone.
Moo! This Ferris wheel smells terrible.
Sorry, Peppa, but it's our job to look after baby Alexander.
If we help now, we can play later.
Yes, baby Alexander needs our help.
That's the spirit. Now let's go and look for a nappy changing station.
Oh, that's better.
Not here.
Oh,
Not here. Definitely not here. Ooh, here.
Well done, Peppa. We found the nappy changing station.
first we have to take off the dirty nappy and put it in the bin. Where is the bin?
Ooh. Here it is, Daddy.
Oh. Now we must wash our hands. Add a dab of cream. Whoa!
Ooh.
Whoops! Sorry, Peppa. Now, finally, a clean nappy.
Can I do this bit, Daddy?
Of course, Peppa. There. All better.
That was so fun. I've never changed a nappy before.
You did very well, Peppa.
But do you know what's even more fun than changing a nappy?
Peppa and her friends are at the cinema. They've just watched a film called Vegetables in Space too.
Don't worry, Pedro. I'll save you.
Everyone enjoyed the film so much, they're pretending they are in it.
Oh. Would you like to play Vegetables in Space at my house? Yes, please.
Everyone is very excited to get dressed up for the game. Pedro Pony is an astronaut. Susie Sheep is a robot. Gerald Giraffe is an alien. And Peppa is a space hero.
Let's go outside and pretend we're on the moon. Hooray! Follow me. Pew, pew.
Peppa and her friends are imagining they're on the moon, just like in the film. Everyone has lots of fun pretending to float on the moon.
Woohoo!
Oh, good idea, Gerald. We can use the rocket cars to drive around.
Oh dear, there aren't enough rocket cars for everyone.
Do you want to ride on my car, Susie?
Susie is pretending her boots are rocket boots. Now everyone has a fun way to explore the moon.
What are we looking for on the moon?
Beep. The only thing on the moon is the moon. Beep. Papa. The moon is made of cheese. So maybe we can find some for lunch.
Of course. What was that?
Was it a moon monster?
No, Peppa. I am your daddy. And I've brought you all some cheese sandwiches for lunch.
Everyone loves pretending to play on the moon, but everyone loves lunchtime even more. Peppa and Emily Elephant are having lots of fun at the beach today. They love the water.
Look, Emily, I'm a fish. Blob, blob, blob. I have an idea. There's so many fish, Peppa. How did you do that, Emily? Did you hold your breath? No. I can use my trunk to breathe because it's so long. Oh.
What's the matter, Peppa?
I wish I had a trunk like Emily, so I could breathe underwater and look at the fish.
I know. Come with me, Peppa. Ta-da! This long tube goes in your mouth and means you can breathe underwater.
Like Emily's trunk.
Exactly like Emily's trunk.
Why does your voice sound funny, Peppa? It's my snorkel. It means I can breathe underwater like you. Look.
No, Peppa.
Yuck.
Oh, Peppa, you must be careful.
Blech. The snorkel didn't work. And the water tasted horrible.
That's because it's salt water, Peppa. You need to keep your lips shut tight around the snorkel so you can breathe through your mouth without letting water in.
You have to take long, deep breaths, like this.
Peppa practices taking big, deep breaths.
Do you want to try again?
Okay. I did it! I saw lots of colourful fish.
Yes, well done. And thank you for helping her, Emily.
And to get rid of the taste of the salty water, George and I thought you might like some...
Ice cream! Yay! Hello, everyone.
Hello,
Peppa.
Mummy Pig is dropping Peppa off at playgroup. But Mummy Pig is also looking after baby Alexander.
Oh, my. Mind if I clean up Alexander's smelly nappy before I go, Madame Gazelle? I insist.
Oh, can we help clean him up? Please!
OK. Can you pass me the nappy cream from the changing bag and a fresh nappy?
Everyone likes helping Mummy Pig change baby Alexander's nappy.
There, fresh as a daisy.
Can baby Alexander play with us? Please!
Well, I don't see why not.
Hooray!
Peppa is showing baby Alexander all her favourite bits of the playgroup.
These are the books.
Baby Alexander likes all the books.
This is the whole world.
And he enjoys spinning the globe.
And this is Madame Gazelle.
Bonjour, little Alexander. Oh!
But he likes Madame Gazelle most of all.
Perhaps it is time for some painting.
Everyone is painting pictures of themselves, called self-portraits.
I'm Peppa Paint. Hello.
Hi, Peppa. I'm Freddy.
I'm Susie.
And I'm Gerald.
Well done, baby Alexander. It looks like a tasty apple.
Baby Alexander's painting has reminded Peppa that it's time for lunch. It's Baby Alexander's lunchtime too. He's eating special food for babies.
Here comes the train, Alexander. Choo-choo.
Is Baby Alexander's food nice, Mummy?
He thinks so. Oh, my. Mind if I clean Alexander up again before we head off? I insist.
I'll get the bag.
Let's go!
Everyone loves having Baby Alexander at playgroup, and Baby Alexander loves visiting. It is morning, and Peppa is having some delicious breakfast.
What's happened to the cereal?
April Fools!
April Fools? What's that?
Today is April Fool's Day. It's a day where people make each other laugh by playing silly jokes, like I just did with your cereal.
I like silly jokes. Can we do one on Daddy?
That's a great idea.
Daddy Pig is reading on the sofa, but Mummy Pig and Peppa have come to play a joke on him.
Could you please pass my glasses, Mummy Pig?
Of course.
Peppa and Mummy Pig are playing a joke on Daddy Pig.
Thank you. That's strange. These glasses have made it even harder to see.
April Fools!
Ho, 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 ho. Oh, these are joke glasses. Very funny, but you won't be able to play another joke on me. I am much too clever for that.
Peppa is playing another joke on Daddy Pig.
Oh, no.
Huh?
I can't open this tube of crisps. Can you help me, Daddy?
Of course, Peppa. Whoa! Oh, ho, ho. That gave me a fright.
April Fools!
You got me again, Peppa. Well done. Would you like to help me play an April Fool's Day joke on Mummy Pig, Peppa?
Peppa and her family have finished dinner and are now eating dessert.
Aha! Me and Peppa have made a tasty chocolate cake for dessert, haven't we, Peppa?
Yes.
How lovely! It looks delicious. My fork doesn't seem to work.
Try with your hands.
Peppa and Daddy are playing a joke on Mummy Pig.
This isn't a cake. This is a sponge with icing on it.
April Fools! Ho, ho, ho.
What a clever joke. That reminds me. George brought some biscuits for you, Peppa.
Yay! Thank you, George. I love biscuits. Whoa.
April Fools!
Peppa loves April Fool's Day. Everyone loves April Fool's Day.
Seesaw.
Peppa and her friends are going to play on the seesaw.
Stop!
Is there a problem, Mr. Bull?
Just finishing fixing the seesaw, Daddy Pig. There, now it's safe as houses and ready to go.
Hooray!
Peppa loves playing on the seesaw.
Will you play with me, Mr. Bull? It's fun.
Me? Why not? It is fixed and ready after all.
Whee!
Well, that was fun. How are you going to get down?
You need to go up so Peppa can come down.
Oh, like this?
Whee!
Mr. Bull is stuck at the bottom of the seesaw.
Mr. Bull is a grown-up and Peppa is small, so the seesaw won't balance. You need something heavy on Peppa's side.
Blimey, how'd you know that?
I am a clever clod.
Righto then.
Peppa's backpack will make her heavier.
Ah.
Up, 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 up. Whee!
Oh.
We are as high as the clouds.
Mr. Bull is still stuck at the bottom of the seesaw.
I suppose it's good fun at the bottom too. What a cracking view of the grass.
We need another grown-up to play with, Mr. Bull. Meow.
I wonder where we can find another grown-up.
You're a grown-up, Daddy.
Oh, yes, so I am. I'll play with you, Mr. Bull.
Yay! Whoa!
Daddy Pig and Mr. Bull are both grown-ups. So the seesaw is balanced and goes up and down.
Stop!
Are you not having fun, Mr. Bull?
I'm having a brilliant time. I just wanted to see the view. Okie dokie, let's go! Whee! Up into the sky! Hello, sun! Hello, grass! Hello, clouds! Hello, Peppa! Stop!
Today, Peppa and her family are walking to the duck pond. But there's a big metal barrier in the way.
Sorry, folks, the path is closed.
But we're almost at the pond.
I'm afraid it's much too slippy.
Whoa! Just follow the diversion signs with the bright red arrows. Won't take you long.
A diversion is when you have to go a different way.
Come on, everyone. It'll be an adventure.
See you soon, ducks. Here it is.
Oh.
Peppa has found the first bright red arrow. And another.
Ha!
Ah.
And another.
Oh! Huh.
But the next sign has fallen down.
Wakey, wakey, Mr. Sign.
Nobody knows which way to go.
Do we go left or right?
The right way sounds right. Hooray!
Are we lost?
We're not lost. We just don't know where we are.
When you don't know where you are probably lost.
Look, a duck. Hello, duck. Excuse me, Mrs. Duck. Do you know where the duck pond is?
What a spot of luck! Lead the way, duck.
This is a duck trail, Daddy. We must all waddle like ducks. We're going to the duck pond, big wiggle whack. We're going to see the ducks go quack, quack, quack.
We're going to the duck pond, wiggle, wiggle, whack. We're going to see the ducks go quack, quack, quack.
Peppa and her family have made it to the duck pond.
We did it!
Yay!
You took your time.
I bet you're glad you took the diversion.
Yes, it was much more fun.
Whoa! And much less slippery.
Quack, 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 quack.
Quack, 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 quack.